Get ready to discover the ultimate travel outfit that's been my go-to for countless flights. I'm breaking it down step by step to help you build a comfortable and security-friendly look that's perfect for any trip. From shoes to tops, pants, and even accessories like glasses and jewelry, this guide has you covered for stress-free travel. Number 1. Shoes. Your travel shoes need to be easy to slip on and off for security checkpoints, comfortable for walking through busy airports, and secure enough to stay on your feet in case of an emergency on the plane. They should also have non-slip soles for safety. My favorite choice is a pair of hybrid walking running shoes. These can be loosened for quick removal at security, tightened for a snug fit afterward, and loosened again on the plane if your feet swell, which often happens during flights. I currently use Brooks Ghost 15 shoes. They're a bit expensive, but I'm not affiliated with the brand. These shoes are worth it because I wear them not only for travel but also at home for daily walks with my dog, Ollie. There was some online confusion about whether gel shoe inserts are allowed through airport security since gels are often considered liquids. I checked with the TSA and good news, you can bring gel inserts through security. Number 2. Socks. Picking the right socks is just as important as choosing your shoes. Any socks will keep your feet from touching the airport floor when you remove your shoes at security. But not all socks are the same for flying. For flights longer than 2 hours, compression socks are the best option. They gently press on your legs and ankles to boost blood flow back to your heart. This helps reduce swelling, fatigue, and the risk of blood clots, which is especially helpful when you're sitting for a long time on a plane. You can find affordable compression socks in many styles and sizes online. One pair is enough since you can wash and reuse them for every travel day. Number 3. Underwear. Let's talk about underwear next. Most types of underwear are fine for travel, and thankfully, body scanners don't reveal specific details about what you're wearing. A simple way to feel fresh on long travel days is to use underwear liners. Wear a liner during your first flight and toss it before boarding your next flight. This small step keeps you feeling clean and comfortable. I never thought I'd talk about underwear online, but it's a game changer for long travel days. Number 4. Pants. For travel pants, focus on comfort. Choose pants with a loose elastic waistband that don't need a belt, since belts often have to come off at security. You don't want your pants slipping down when you raise your hands in the body scanner. I avoid jeans or pants with tight waistbands because they can restrict blood flow and feel uncomfortable when sitting on a plane for hours. Especially if you eat or drink something unusual and feel bloated. Look for pants with a fitted base. Wide leg pants, flowy dresses, or skirts can get caught in escalators or conveyor belts, which is scary and dangerous. They can also brush against people or surfaces, picking up germs in crowded places like airport or airplane bathrooms, where you definitely don't want your clothes touching the floor. Speaking of bathrooms, avoid jumpsuits or rompers. They make restroom visits difficult, and you don't want to be undressed in an airport or airplane bathroom. Stick to dark-colored pants since spills and stains are common during travel. You might sit on something spilled by someone else, or a flight attendant could accidentally spill a drink on you during turbulence. I've seen this. Number 5. Tops and layering. Layering is crucial for your travel outfit. No matter the time of year, planes can feel cold mid-flight, like an air-conditioned room in the summer. Pick a base layer that's comfortable and looks good, like an undershirt, since you'll likely need to remove outer layers like jackets or sweaters at security. If you're not comfortable in just an undershirt or camisole, add a high-neck t-shirt for extra coverage. This is practical for tasks like bending down to untie your shoes. I wear an undershirt with a high-neck t-shirt under a dark-colored zip-up jacket with pockets and a hood. Dark colors hide spills and prevent your outfit from reflecting on the plane's seatback entertainment screens, which is a small but nice perk. Avoid clothes with controversial, offensive, or overly political images or text. From the moment you enter the airport until you board, you're being watched, and simple clothing helps avoid unwanted attention from airport or airline staff. New body scanners in the US are advanced, so you don't need to worry about metal parts like underwire bras, sequins, or metal threading triggering alarms, which was an issue with older scanners. The zip-up jacket lets you adjust your temperature by zipping up to stay warm or unzipping to cool down. The hood adds warmth or privacy when you want to tune out during a flight. A great security hack is to put small valuables like your headphones, wallet, phone, or watch into your jacket pockets before placing the jacket in the screening bin. This keeps everything together and out of sight, reducing the risk of forgetting items or theft. Before going through the body scanner, ensure your pockets and hands are empty except for your passport, which you can hold. Number 6. Accessories. For accessories, small metal jewelry like gold or silver rings and necklaces usually don't need to be removed at security. You're likely fine with engagement rings or wedding bands, but larger jewelry pieces might need to come off. Religious headscarves, hearing aids, bobby pins, hair clips, and wigs are typically allowed through the entire process. However, most hats like winter beanies or baseball caps and sunglasses must be placed in the screening bin. Regular glasses can stay on during security. If you wear contacts, consider switching to glasses for long or overnight flights, especially if you plan to sleep. The dry cabin air on planes can make contacts uncomfortable. I have a mild prescription and usually don't wear glasses or contacts when flying. But this makes it hard to read flight boards or airport restaurant menus. My trick is to take a photo of the board or menu with my phone and zoom in to read it, avoiding the need to push through crowds to see small print. Number 7. Sun protection. Travel days expose you to UV rays through large airport windows and at higher altitudes on flights, where you're closer to the ozone layer. This increases the risk of sun damage, which can cause health issues and premature skin aging. Always apply sunscreen, at least on your face, to stay protected. Final tips. Here's a recap of my go-to travel outfit, perfected over hundreds of flights. Wear comfortable lace-up walking shoes, compression socks, loose dark-colored leggings with optional sweatpants or track pants for extra warmth, an undershirt, a high-neck t-shirt, and a dark zip-up jacket with a hood and pockets. Keep jewelry minimal and choose dark clothing to hide stains. I always pack a change of clothes in my personal item bag just in case. Travel-sized wrinkle release spray and a stain removal stick are great to pack in your liquids bag, as they're TSA approved and can be brought on the plane. Check the description for my personal item packing checklist and a video with more tips to get through airport security quickly. I'd love to hear your travel outfit tips and hacks in the comments. I'm always amazed by your ideas and enjoy reading them. Subscribe to join us for more travel tips every week, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!